Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive, so we cannot really tap on them and customize. It is because we are using the automatic options like network provided time and network provided time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off the switcher, and here at the very top, we have to tap on it and tap on off. And now, as you can see, we can freely tap on date and choose it just by swiping. So select the date and confirm it with OK. The same with the time, just by swiping, and it will be set. Of course, confirm it with OK again. Here you've got the time format. You can either use local default, which is more or less automatic, and it is based on the time zone, I believe. Or you can manually decide. So right now we've got the 12-hour format, and if you want to, you can use the 24-hour one just by tapping on the switcher, and it will be immediately applied, as you can see. You can also select the time zone, so just tap on it, and here we've got the list of all time zones. So find yours and then tap on it, and it will be immediately applied. Of course, be aware because it will affect the time. You can also decide whether you want to use the dual clock, and the whole idea of this feature is that your device will show you two different clocks. The first one from the place you're currently in, and the second from any other place in the world of your choice, of course. So it's totally up to you whether you want to use it or not. Just enter it, and here you can also manually set the time zone or use the automatic option. Alright, so that was the manual customization of the time zone and time, date, etc. And if you want to, you can go back to previous settings, so those which are automatic, just by tapping on this switcher here. You can also use automatic clock format, and here in auto set time, set either GPS provided time or network provided time. It's totally up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.